to my Ankara YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to make Ankara purse bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, lining, a zipper, scissors. We're using strong interfacing and taper. The measurement for the purse we are making is 21 inches. Then from this point, 15 inches. So I have 21 inches by 15 inches. I already ironed a strong interfacing on this Ankara fabric. So the next thing you want to do is to go and join your zipper on your bag. You're going to separate the zip. You're going to stitch one part, and you're going to stitch the other part this way. After stitching the zip, the next thing you want to do is to add your lining. So cut out your lining, the exact measurement of this Ankara fabric, which is 21 by 15 inches. So you want to go back to your sewing machine. You will place it exactly on the zip. You are going to stitch it straight down, and you also stitch this side straight down. After stitching the lining, then the next thing you want to do is to turn this to the other side. You are going to flip the lining over. After flipping over, this is what you should have. Then you go back to your machine. Now you are going to top stitch. So you start your top stitching from this zipper side. You're going to top stitch. Then you're going to stitch the lining to the Ankara fabric. You're going to stitch, you stitch, and you stitch. So you are basically going to stitch around the lining. So I have just stitched around the lining. You can see, just hold the lining down to the Ankara fabric. So now the next thing you want to do is to join your zip together. After joining your zip together, I'm just going to fold your bag this way, and on one side of the bag, measure 3 inches. So fold your bag to one side of the bag to be 3 inches. You're going to keep adjusting your bag until you get 3 inches just on one side of the bag. I'm just measuring 3 inches from this edge to this other edge. Now that we have 3 inches or through, you can now fold the rest of the bag. After folding your bag this way, you start measuring one side of the bag to be 4 inches we are going to measure that 4 inches around, just to be sure that one side of this bag is 4 inches. You can see 4 inches round. Then we are going to measure out the corners of the bag. So from this point, 2.5 inches. And from this point, 2.5 inches. So this is it. We're going to also do the same thing here, 2.5 inches. I'm going to measure same for this other end. So guys, this is 2.5 by 2.5 inches for the 4 end. Then we're going to cut it off. I'm going to be cutting the 4 corners off. When that is done, you can now cut out your excess zip. So now you can turn this to the other side. After turning to the other side, you can see what the bag looks like. If you want to go to your machine, you're going to stitch straight down. I'm also going to stitch this part straight down. After stitching this part, now you're going to stitch this part straight down, straight down. Stitch it straight down. I'm done stitching, so we are now going to turn the bag inside out. This is what our Ankara purse bag looks like after turning inside out. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please comment your opinion about this purse bag and like this video. Share this video to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.